Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save Paladin Danse. This guide will walk you through the critical choices during the blind betrayal quest. You'll need to navigate a difficult situation with the Brotherhood of Steel. Follow these steps carefully to ensure Danse's survival and maintain your standing with the faction. It's a challenging but rewarding path to undertake. The most crucial moment arrives when Elder Maxson confronts you and Danse. You must pass a very difficult charisma speech check to convince Maxson to spare Danse. This check is often red, indicating a high difficulty. Boosting your charisma by several points with clothing or great mentats can significantly improve your chances of success. Prepare for this pivotal conversation with careful consideration. Once you successfully persuade Elder Maxson, he will agree to spare Danse but demands his immediate exile. You must then speak with Danse one final time to confirm his new status. He will leave the Brotherhood and relocate to a hidden bunker. This completes the blind betrayal quest, and Danse will be safe, though no longer an active member of the Brotherhood of Steel. Even after his exile, Paladin Danse can still be your companion. You can continue to build your relationship with him, eventually reaching maximum affinity. Upon reaching this, you will receive his powerful perk, Know Your Enemy. This perk provides a 20% damage bonus against 3 specific enemy types: ghouls, super mutants, and synths, making him a valuable ally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.